Birthday to you. Come here, Brother Dom. We really love this man here, you know.
Happy birthday.
We are so thankful for Brothers Dong service to this church.
Yes.
His dedication, his effort, and see if you see or if you notice the videos, the arrangement of the music, it's because of this guy. Okay? So that's why, and if there's problem, you can blame him also. So we are really thankful for his, I think he loves this church so much, right?
Yes.
Yes, because I think he will not spend more time to this church
He
without
loves
his
the church,
love.
not the wife.
So thank you so much, Brother Dom.
Wag naman wag naman.
So we will sing him happy birthday again, please. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so may I request also the congregation to please stand. We will pray for Brother